Hello and welcome to this Newsmo special. Now, few would argue with the claim that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is one of the most compelling political communicators of our times. This is perhaps one reason why every address to the nation that the Prime Minister announces is so eagerly awaited.
साथियों, आज मैं इसी से जुड़ी एक महत्वपूर्ण घोषणा करने जा रहा हूं। सरकार द्वारा इन 5 महीनों के लिए 80 करोड़ से ज्यादा गरीब भाई बहनों को हर महीने परिवार के हर सदस्य को 5 किलो गेहूं या 5 किलो चावल मुफ्त मुहैया कराया जाएगा और साथ ही प्रत्येक परिवार को हर महीने 1 किलो चना भी मुफ्त दिया जाएगा।
It is also a speech that is awaited with a sense of nervousness because you could call it the demo effect. Remember that day in November 2016 when Mr. Modi dramatically announced the demonetization of 500 rupees and 1000 rupee notes and sent the country into a tizzy. Or indeed in March this year when he announced a national lockdown within the next 4 hours. Clearly, Mr. Modi's speeches are much awaited, which is why there was an element of hype, dare I say, over his 30th June speech as well. Well, if you were expecting something dramatic, you didn't get the drama. Instead, in a 16-minute speech, this time Mr. Modi went back to the basics. He spoke of the Garib Kisan. In a 16-minute speech, the word Garib was used 13 times, the word Kisan was used 5. I've called it the GK of Mr. Modi's politics in my 2019 books. The Garib Kisan syndrome that Mr. Modi believes is a winning formula in elections. And let's be clear, while we are in Corona times today, elections are not too far, especially in the state of Bihar, which is why it's not surprising that the Prime Minister has announced that the Garib Kalyan scheme that promises free grain to 80 crore people, 5 kgs of it, will be extended further to the month of November, up to Chhath Puja, as the Prime Minister reminded us. Now remember, Chhath Puja is one of Bihar's biggest festivals, and October-November is when elections are to be held in Bihar. To that extent, you could argue that Mr. Modi was using his latest speech as a political pitch to reach out to the voters in Bihar.
ये फैसला लिया गया है कि प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना का विस्तार अब दिवाली और छठ पूजा तक यानी नवंबर महीने के आखिर तक कर दिया जाएगा। यानी 80 करोड़ लोगों को मुफ्त अनाज देने वाली ये योजना अब जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर में भी लागू रहेगी।
Now you could also argue that as a politician, that's what Mr. Modi will do. He wants to win elections. But let's also be clear. We live in times where the country is fighting a war on 3 fronts. The war against China in a way on the border, the war on the economy, and the war against Corona. The Prime Minister knows that these are his 3 big real challenges. Elections will come and go, but these 3 challenges need to be met with diligence. So far, the BJP under Mr. Modi has shown itself to be an almost invincible political election machine. But governance is very different from winning elections. And that is going to be the challenge for Mr. Modi in the months ahead. Thanks for watching.